I will like to show you my sketchbook from last year. It is not full, but it is, I think, half full. And here we go. One little husky with ball pen. I will try to, without mistake, to draw him with ball pen, black. And then we go on color pencils. And a lot of trees, a lot of leaves, a lot of flowers. And this is some bonsai. And also this, and this is olive branch. And little bonsai again, some leaves. And again bonsai. And this is from a game I play, The Sims. They have some posters in the town and you can collect them, and this is one of the posters. This is also bonsai, and that is also from The Sims. This is little cacti and some branches. And this is something I saw on Pinterest, and I really love this. This is some moon trees, I don't know. And this is some flowers. And this was a path through the irises. I tried to recreate this in color pencils. And that is something I found on some box and try to recreate this. And I love this moonflower and moon. This is also from Sims. Some rosemary. This is also from Sims. Some sage. Sims poster. Lavender. Sims poster. Thyme. And some cute flowers. This is parsley, I don't like this. And dragonfly, super cute. Rainbow dragonfly. This is basil. And some flowers from April, I think. And this is something I also found very interesting. And that is from last year, I think, Halloween, some pumpkins. And this should represent Aurora Borealis. And that is some cute sketches I found on Pinterest and want to recreate. Some poems I don't like, some portrait of woman. This is coconut. This is you see what is this? Some water, and this should be a whale, but it's not good. And this is a little beach and shells. This is some trees in lavender field. This is some frame. Some starry night, some dolphin, little sailing boats. This should be from whale tail. And this is some palm trees, some birds in sunset. This is a known picture, trees and night, but I don't know how these stars came out. This is some picture watching from above on the beach, and I also didn't very satisfied with this. This is also look on the boat. This is whale. Then we have something here and some flowers here. And this is very cute for me. Some sunset and branch, some flower. Again a night, but it's not good. And I like this island. This little island and the water and the sky. I'm very satisfied with this. So this is again wave water, but not good. Some again waves. I like this one on the beach, and this is some flowers in the field and some portrait, eyes, lips, closed eyes, small lips. This one we have on the channel, this elf ear, and this one I want to paint for my kitchen, this flower field. And this is some sunset from the card I see. And this one we also have like tutorial on the channel. And that is everything for 2023. And now is 2024. I will show you this for a year. So I found another one of my sketchbook, and this is also pretty old. It is not from 2023. I don't know. It's from 2022 or what. This is umbrella, March. Something I was trying. So this is sun. This is all with. This was I found on Instagram. Somebody made this, and I want to recreate in color pencils because this person painted this with watercolors. And some clouds, some rainbow. Merry Christmas. So also Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. Some flowers. Some doodling of mine. This means it is snowing on Germany, on Deutschland, on Deutsch, on German language. Oh my God! This is some branch, some star plant. This was I have this tutorial on my channel, but I remove it because not so much view. And this little cat, I think is cute. And we have more branches and more sunsets and some trees and some cute, this was for the cart, for moving in. I think it's cute, little bird houses, and this cute cat, and this cute dog. And this was with neon colors when I was trying. And this fish we also have on the channel. And this is something I don't know. And this cute doll, I think it's beautiful. Very beautiful doll I see, and I want to recreate. I think it is in Polish clothes. And some girl for the children. When I was thinking I'm teaching children how to learn to draw. This rose, this cute bunny, and this tree. We also have these two tutorials on this channel, some butterflies and some something I don't know. And these cute flowers, I really like this. And we have this tutorial on the channel also, and this tutorial we have on the channel, and this one, and now is 2024, and I will not show you, I didn't draw too much here, but that is all. I don't know, do I have something? Oh, I have something in this pocket. Oh, this is my daughter. She's cute. And some other pictures, I don't know. I take this. Okay, thank you so much for watching and see you soon. Bye.